Hi, I'm Anshita, and today we will talk about Activity Unread feature in Microsoft Teams. Activity is where you can see all your notifications from mention to replies to conversation you started in one place. You specify what shows up in activity via your notification settings. Activity help you save time in searching the information. In activity and read, you can see all the messages that you haven't read. Message could be in a team that you are part of or where you are mentioned along with the date. To go on activity and read, you simply need to go to left top corner of the teams and then select filter the funnel icon and you can click on the three dots. So this is how you can go to your unread messages in activity. For more videos, you can watch Foetron Academy.